Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Hobby Lobby app is and how it's positioned. According to the App Store and Google Play Store listings, Hobby Lobby is the retailer's official shopping and store utility app from Hobby Lobby Stores Incorporated. The app is designed so you can browse the weekly ad directly from your mobile device. It also provides a store locator to help find nearby Hobby Lobby retail locations. App Store descriptions highlight that you can check your gift card balance inside the app. The app may show special savings and promotions featured in the weekly advertising materials. Based on official listings, you can access product categories like craft supplies, home decor, fabrics, art supplies, and seasonal items. Information on the store pages indicates browsing tools such as searching products or viewing featured deals are available. The app also supports features to help plan shopping trips around current store promotions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for Hobby Lobby shoppers who want quick access to weekly ads, store locations, gift card balances, and product browsing. For users interested in planning in-store visits and viewing current promotions on the go, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.